So, I actually have two 24 karat gold plated Icon 3/8 ratchets. I'm going to give one away. Here's evidence of the second one. Here's the one I just opened. So the way to enter in the giveaway is I need you to subscribe, like, and comment. And then on December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, I will announce the winner of the 3/8 gold plated Icon ratchet. So, if you do me a favor, comment down below that you want to be in the giveaway, like this video, share it wherever you can, and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of videos coming! That's it. Merry Christmas.